Friend, this is Tapos and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn how we can use ChatGPT as a SEO expert. Okay, so first of all, what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. Okay, so ये क्या होता है? Search engine optimization मतलब we can get lot of customer organically. Suppose मेरा पास एक वेबसाइट है, वो वेबसाइट में मैं प्रोडक्ट सेल करता हूँ, और मेरा एक ब्लॉगिंग वेबसाइट है, वो वेबसाइट में मेरा एफिलिएट प्रोडक्ट है, एफिलिएट प्रोडक्ट का लिंक है. सो आई वांट मोर विजिटर्स ऑन माय वेबसाइट, और उधर से मैं थोड़ा लीड जनरेशन भी करना चाहता हूँ, सो दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम कस्टमर दे कैन बिकम माई कस्टमर, द विजिटर्स कैन बिकम माई कस्टमर्स. सो बहुत सारा. सो इसमें क्या होता है, ऑर्गेनिकली गूगल विल सेंड सम कस्टमर्स टू माई वेबसाइट. सो इसके लिए मेरे को कुछ पैसा खर्चा नहीं करना पड़ेगा. सो अगर मैं इसको एक पेड एड्स कैंपेन रन करूँ, सपोज फेसबुक एड्स, गूगल एड्स और द लिंक्डइन एड्स और इंस्टाग्राम एड्स, अगर मैं उसको रन करूँ तो इसके लिए मेरे को पैसा लगेगा, राइट. बट ऑर्गेनिकली वी कैन गेट लॉट ऑफ कस्टमर्स थ्रू सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. सो ये एक अच्छा प्रोफेशनल भी है. सो सपोज मेरा मेरा वेबसाइट है, वो वेबसाइट में मैं प्रोडक्ट सेल करता हूँ, तो ऑर्गेनिकली वो पर कस्टमर ले आने के लिए कुछ किसी एक्सपर्ट पर्सन को मेरे को लगेगा, सो दैट ही और शी कैन हेल्प मी टू गेट मोर विजिटर्स ऑन माई वेबसाइट. वो प्रोडक्ट सेल भी हो सकता है, लीड जनरेशन भी हो सकता है, और एफिलिएट, सपोज ब्लॉगिंग कुछ है, ब्लॉगिंग वेबसाइट है, तो वहाँ पर कुछ एफिलिएट लिंक है, तो उधर वहाँ पर कस्टमर अगर आएगा तो कस्टमर को वो विजिटर को मैं कस्टमर में कन्वर्ट कर सकता हूँ. ओके, सो ये है एसईओ का, एसईओ स्पेशलिस्ट का काम. सो ऑर्गेनिकली कस्टमर को मेरा ऑनलाइन शॉप में और मेरा वेबसाइट में भेजना. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट वी कैन डू, सपोज इफ़ यू वांट टू हायर अ expert person, suppose it may be a freelancer, it may be a full time SEO specialist. अगर उन लोगों को मैं हायर करना चाहूँगा, so it will take a lot of money. Of course they will charge because they are expert on this, right? They are expert on this domain, so they will charge a lot of money. So whenever सपोज आपका बिजनेस बड़ा हो रहा है, सो इन दैट टाइम इफ यू थिंक दैट यू वांट टू हायर समवन स्पेशलिस्ट, that time you can do. But initially what you can do is you can take the help of large language model, that is ChatGPT or any other, like Gemini is there, Copilot is there. Okay, so these are the platform. Okay, so you can use it for free and you will get a lot of ideas. So how, what is one page SEO, off page SEO, backlinks and all those things about SEO you will know. You will get the basic understanding, even the intermediate level understanding you can get from the large language model like ChatGPT. Okay, so that's it about the SEO. So now here is some example. So I will copy this example and I will go to ChatGPT and I will show you. So before that, here is the example. Here is a prompt. So for this video purpose, I will use persona pattern. So what is persona pattern? Persona pattern means I will provide a role to ChatGPT. I will give a role to ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, you now play this role. So whatever, might be doctor, might be scientist, might be a bird, might be a cat, any kind of role I can provide. So ChatGPT will provide the answer on that perspective, on that persona. Okay, so for this video purpose, here I will use the persona pattern. So here is the example. The example is I will tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, act as a SEO specialist. Okay, now I've given a role to ChatGPT, act like a SEO specialist. Now I will tell about myself, who I am, what I do, what is my problem, what I want to achieve, what are the expectation I have. So that kind of. So now I will tell about myself. I am a 35 years old business owner with a small e-commerce website selling handmade jewelry. So see, I have told about myself. I am a 35 years old business owner and I sell some handmade jewelry on my e-com website. Okay, I want to improve my organic search rankings and increase traffic by 30% in 3 months. See, this is a random example. You can modify based on your requirement. Your age might be different, of course your age might be different, your business might be different, your expectation might be different. Suppose you want to get some leads, you want to get some sales, you want to get some only the visitor. So that kind of thing, your expectation of course will be different, depends on the business. So I want to improve my organic search rankings and increase traffic by 30% in 3 months. Again, in case of 3 months, you can replace it 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, like that way. I have a basic understanding of SEO, but I need to structure the approach. So again, you can say I don't know anything about SEO, or you can say I have basic idea about SEO, and now I need a structured approach, a professional approach. I want create a 3 months SEO strategy to help me achieve my goal. So again, you can modify your this prompt, create a 1 month SEO plan, 2 months SEO plan, 6 month SEO plan, 3 months SEO plans, or 1 year plan. Day by day, you just break it down and create a 3 months SEO strategy to help me achieve my goal, with the first week's task broken down day by day. So every day you just break it down day wise, so that I can implement it and I can achieve my goal. Okay, so now I will copy this prompt, and now I will go to ChatGPT. And for the people who never I don't think that kind of people are there. So this is the interface of ChatGPT. Okay, so now you will go there, you will just write your prompt. So for me, I am copying, or I have copied and pasted it. So now my prompt is, this is called prompt. So the more better prompt you will write, the more better response you will get from ChatGPT. So if you ask randomly ChatGPT or any other large language model, it will produce the random answer. So for understanding purpose, for knowledge purpose, that is okay. But if you want to get some structured, some professional, some to the point, some accurate answer from ChatGPT or any other large language model, you need to master prompt engineering. Okay, so here is the prompt. Act as a SEO specialist. I am a 35 years old business owner with a small e-commerce website selling handmade jewelry. I want to improve my organic search rankings and increase traffic by 30% in 3 months. I have a basic understanding of SEO, but I need a structured approach, a professional approach. I want create a 3 month SEO strategy to help me achieve my goal. So again, I can modify it for this example purpose. Let me take it 1 month. Create a 1 month SEO strategy to help me achieve my goal, with the first week's task broken down day by day. So day by day, it will tell me day 1 do this, day 2 do that, like that way. So let's press enter and see how ChatGPT help me as a SEO expert, as an specialist, how ChatGPT can help. And same prompt you can use for other platform as well. Okay, now here it is, 1 month SEO strategy for a handmade jewelry website. Okay, so week 1, what I have to do: SEO foundation setup, focus keyword research, website audit, and fixing basic issues. So day 1, what I have to do: keyword research, identify high volume low competition keyword related to handmade jewelry. Suppose you are someone, I don't have advanced knowledge about SEO, but if you are, so you can understand what quality content ChatGPT has produced. I am sure it is a quality content. And day 1, what I have to do: day 1, identify high volume low competition. Suppose you are using semdas or riffs, so there are this kind of things are there, this high super powerful platform, those things are, yes, it is here. Uber suggest also there, riffs is there, and semdas also there. Here it is not mentioned, I think. Anyway, so identify high volume low competition keywords related to handmade jewelry. Okay, use tools like Google keyword planner, Uber suggest, and Arips. Okay, then prioritize keywords like affordable handmade necklace, custom jewelry gifts, and artisan. Okay, okay, this kind of thing. Day 2, what I have to do: website audit, analyze site speed using Google page speed insights and GT metrics, check the broken links and duplicate content using screaming frog or a similar tool. Okay, assess mobile friendliness with Google's mobile friendly test. Day 2, day 3, day 4, on page SEO, day 5, on page SEO, product page, day 6, day 7, like that way. It has given me A 1 month plan. Again, week 2 to 4, what I have to task overview, this kind of thing it has given. So see, it has given. Again, what you can do, you can continue, you can write, would you like to detail breakdown for subsequent weeks. Suppose it has given only for 1 week, only for the first week. Okay, I think, yeah, it is week 1 day wise it has broken down. So now it is asking for the rest of the weeks, do you want my suggestion? So you can say please continue, so it will continue the thing. It will continue the next to say week number 2 or third week and fourth week it will continue. And one more cool thing is I just want to share with you. Suppose one thing you can't understand, or you want to know more about that point. Suppose here is one point. Day 1, keyword research. Under keyword research, suppose you want to get more clarity on this point. You want to get more clarity on this point. Or website audit. Suppose on this you want to get more clarity. You want to get some more advanced clarity on this point. Suppose this point I want to know more. Suppose this is not enough for me, or I want to know detail about this point. Assess mobile friendliness with Google's mobile friendly test. So suppose in that case what will happen, please explain. You need to write, please explain day 2 point 3. Day 2.3, it should be this. Otherwise what you can do, day 2 and then 0.3 bracket, you can copy it and you can paste it. It will again give you a detailed information about see how it works. Please explain day 2 point number 3, that is it. See, here it is. Assessing mobile friendliness, ensure your website is optimized for user accessing it on mobile device. Here is how to do it. Go to Google mobile friendly test tool. This is the tool link it has given. Then enter your website URL, then review the result, then take action. So see the detailed information. Suppose any point you want to get some more ideas, you want to know more about that points or topic, so ChatGPT will help you like that way. Okay, I think you have got the idea how so this prompt is very advanced level prompt. So you need to use this prompt and you can modify based on your requirement. You can based on your business, based on your expectation. There are 4 things you need to remember. So I think at the first video I explained the basics of writing a ChatGPT prompt. You need to mention these 4 parameters, like you need to tell about yourself, you need to provide context, you need to provide the resources, you need to clear the expectation, and you have to become very clear and specific. All these things are there. Okay, so now I will take one more example and I will show you how it works. Now this example I have taken, which business that is, increase my visibility. Okay, I'll forget this, any other business. Okay, so let's take this example, then I will explain with you. So now in the second example what I am saying is, I am telling ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, act as a on-page SEO expert. So if you know about SEO, you know that what is on-page SEO, off-page SEO, backlinks and all those things are there. So now I am telling ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, act as an on-page SEO expert. I am 28 years old, health and wellness blogger. So again, it can be modified. Your age might be different. Your blogging, it may not be about blogging, it may be vlogging, video and all these things. Your industry might be different. Instead of health and wellness, it might be any other industry. So you can modify it. The pattern will be the same, but your industry and all those things will be changed. So I am a 28 years old health and wellness blogger who wants to increase organic traffic by 25% in the next 3 months. So again, you can modify this thing also. You can write 50%, you can say 10%, you can write 20%. Instead of 3 months, you can write 6 months, 1 month, that kind of thing. I currently lack optimized on-page SEO techniques. Develop a 3 months on-page SEO plan with the first week task outline detail. Okay, so again, for the example purpose, I am not taking 3 months. I will take 1 month. So let's see how it provides the response. A professional level response you will get from ChatGPT or any other artificial tool, any other AI tools, any other large language model. But you need to write that prompt very clearly. You need to follow some pattern. Some algorithms are there, some patterns are there. So you need to follow that pattern. So the more detailed and professional pattern, professional prompt you will write, you will get more better answer, more accurate answer you will get from large language model. So see, here it is. So the for 1 month on page SEO plan for health and a wellness block. Week 1, setting up the foundation. Day 1, what I have to do, all these things. Day 2, what I have to do. Day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, like that way. Day 7 is there. Weeks, what it is saying, weeks to do 4, task overview. Okay, and now again it is asking, it has given me only for the 1 week, but for other 3 weeks, for next 3 weeks, do I need the suggestion? Of course I need. So for this example purpose, I will not continue it, but you can say yes, please continue. So it will give you the second week, third week, fourth week plan as well. Okay, so now I think you have got the idea how you can use ChatGPT as a ChatGPT or any other large language model as a SEO expert or as a professional SEO specialist. Okay, like that way how you can use it. But you need to write the prompt very clearly. Again, I'm saying you need to if you want to get accurate answer, you need to write the prompt very clearly. Okay, so if you want to get here is a Excel sheet. Actually here 10,000 plus advanced and premium ChatGPT prompts are there. Almost every industry I have covered, almost 75 plus industries are covered here. So if you want to learn more, if you want to get that prompt, so you can check it out. And if you want to master, if you want to learn ChatGPT prompt engineering, that is also available. That course is advanced course is available from beginner to advanced, so you can also enroll that course as well if you want to master ChatGPT how to write effective prompt. So this is only one prompt I have given, that is persona pattern. It is also, it comes under advanced module. But again, like that way, 26 plus advanced modules are there, and 100 plus examples are there. Okay, so and the beginner level as well. So if you want to master ChatGPT prompt engineering, you can enroll that course. If you want to get that sheet also, you can enroll it. You can get the access. Okay, so I think you have understood how you can use ChatGPT as a SEO expert. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.